Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat at your desk, books open, phone face down, time passing, and still nothing gets done? You promise yourself, tomorrow I'll start fresh. But tomorrow comes, and it looks exactly like yesterday. If that's you, listen carefully, because I was stuck in that loop for years. Not lazy, not stupid, just overwhelmed, tired, and lost. And then one thing changed everything. I stopped relying on motivation, and I built systems. 5 of them. And once I did, success stopped feeling like luck. It started feeling inevitable. Section 1. The identity system. Why you keep quitting. Let's start with the real problem. You don't fail because you're bad at studying. You fail because you don't believe you're the kind of person who follows through. Every time you procrastinate, your brain learns, I'm someone who gives up. Science calls this identity-based habits. Your brain always acts in line with who it thinks you are. So I stopped saying, I want to study, and I started saying, I'm the kind of student who shows up even on bad days. Quick action. Do this now. Write one sentence and repeat it daily. I don't wait to feel ready. I act first. Small shift, massive impact. But belief alone isn't enough. You need a system that forces action, especially on low-energy days. Section 2. The morning system. Win before life hits you. Mornings decide your whole day, not because you wake up motivated, but because your willpower is highest in the first 60 to 90 minutes. I used to wake up, check my phone, scroll, feel tired, and the day was already gone. So I built a no-thinking morning system. Same steps, same order, every day. Wake up, water, wash face, sit at desk, start smallest task. No decisions. Science says the brain loves routine because it saves energy. Quick action. Create a 10-minute non-negotiable morning start. Even 5 pages, even 1 video lecture. Momentum beats motivation. Always. Transition. Okay, you started strong, but what about when energy crashes? Section 3. The focus system. Beat distraction without willpower. Let's be honest. Your phone isn't the problem. Your environment is. The brain follows what's easiest. If your phone is close, you'll grab it. If YouTube is 1 click away, you'll fall. So I stopped trusting myself and I redesigned my environment. Phone in another room, website blockers on, clean desk. Psychology calls this friction. Make bad habits harder, good habits easier. Quick action. Before studying, ask, what distraction can I remove in 30 seconds? 1 small block equals 10x focus. You're not weak. You're just fighting a system designed to steal your attention. Now let's talk about the killer no one prepares you for. Burnout. Section 4. The energy system. Study without burning out. Burnout doesn't come from working too much. It comes from working without recovery. I used to study for 6 hours straight, then feel dead, then quit for days. Now I use energy cycles. Study 50 minutes, break 10 minutes, move your body, no screens. Science shows the brain needs breaks to consolidate memory. Rest is not laziness, it's part of the system. Quick action. Set a timer right now. 1 focused session, then a real break. Sustainable beats extreme. But even with energy, some days your mind still says, what's the point? Section 5. The mindset system. Stay consistent when motivation dies. Here's the truth. Motivation will disappear. Every student experiences it. So I built a bad day system. On bad days, I don't aim high. I aim minimum. If I feel awful, my goal is 5 minutes, 1 question, 1 paragraph. This uses a psychological trick called the success loop. Small wins create confidence. Confidence creates action. Quick action. Define your bare minimum today. Something so small you can't say no. Consistency grows from kindness, not pressure. So, let's recap. I didn't become successful because I became smarter. I became successful because I built systems. Identity over motivation, simple mornings, distraction-proof focus,
energy management, a plan for bad days. And once these systems were in place, even on hard days, progress kept happening. If you're struggling right now, hear this. You're not broken, you're just missing the right systems. And systems can be built. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more students who need it. Subscribe if you want practical, no BS advice to fix your routine, focus, and mindset. And share this with one friend who's stuck in the same cycle. Your future self is closer than you think.